Hi, I'm Morgan, and I'm answering some of the web's most searched questions about my business. All right, let's get started. Is FinePoints legit? I mean, I think it's legit. I'm here, I'm a real person. I'm a real bookkeeper, and I run FinePoints out of my home. Is FinePoints worth it? I guess so. I mean, I have this whole YouTube channel that's for free, so I guess that's worth it, yeah. I have a bunch of free stuff on my website. I have 2 classes. I think they're worth it. How does FinePoints work? Well, I guess however you found this video, that's how it works. I guess you type something in a YouTube search bar and then it pops up with a video. Hopefully it's helpful. Maybe if you want to know more, you go to my website. Guess that's how it works. Where is FinePoints free masterclass? Okay, so that's on my website. Like I said, my website is finepoints.biz. I have, let's see, 2 free masterclasses right now. One is called Is Bookkeeping Right for Me? So that's like for someone who's trying to decide like, do I even want to be a bookkeeper? And the other one is called How I Got My First 3 Real Clients, and tells like the story of like what my first clients were, how I got them, how much they paid me, and all that. So those are free. They're like about 30 minutes. If you're interested in those, check them out. They're always in the description box of my video or on my website. All right, now we got why is FinePoints recommended? I don't know, I guess for all those reasons that I just said, that the resources. Why is FinePoints so expensive? Do people really Google that? I don't think FinePoints is expensive, actually. I've honestly tried to make it a mission of my business to make my classes affordable, because when I first started bookkeeping, I was like, I don't have any money. I cannot pay for an expensive class. And so I have all that free stuff that I mentioned, but then I have 2 classes. One is $150 that helps you start your bookkeeping business in 30 days. So I feel like $150 is pretty cheap. Some classes are like $2,000. And then my other class is like a next step up. I think it's $375 or so, and that is about how to get bookkeeping clients. And actually, if you take those master classes that I mentioned, you get like a discount code, so insider tip. But my kind of like business model that I was going for is that you can kind of like take things a la carte, because I really did like a DIY approach when I started. So if you want to learn marketing, just take the marketing one. If you are just starting your business, take that. If you want to take like a short class from another person, that's really fine. If you want to learn some stuff from my YouTube videos, kind of like mix and match depending on what you need. Okay, now we have, what does FinePoints mean? Oh, that's a good one. I don't talk about this as much. Okay, so basically I picked this name. Okay, hold on. Someone's calling. It's my kid. So basically I picked this name for my bookkeeping business, so it's FinePoints Bookkeeping, to mean like the fine points as in like the details. So I will take care of the details, the bookkeeping of your small business, so you, my client, can work on the bigger picture items. So it's kind of like saying like, I'm providing this service to you to take care of the details. Let me know in the comments if that's what you thought it meant. I'm kind of curious if people just like glance over the name or if they don't get it or what. All right, 2 more on this board, then I have a whole nother board. Who is FinePoints owned by? That's me, Morgan, law, 2 kids and a husband. I live in Oregon. Who is FinePoints used by? Bookkeepers. Mostly bookkeepers who are starting their businesses, or hopefully you still find me helpful if you are a more experienced bookkeeper. Let me know in the comments what part of your business you are at, because I feel like I get a lot of new people, but I do want to make content for like veterans as well. So let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. All right, we got another board here. Whoever made this, really high quality tape job. Okay, how does the Bookkeeper Business Coach program help? So Bookkeeper Business Coach is one of those classes I was talking about. It's the cheaper one, $150, that helps you start your business in 30 days. So it does that. It helps you start your business in 30 days. It has 3 objectives each week, so it's really broken down step by step. And so honestly, you could find a lot of this information like on the internet, but it's meant to kind of like hold your hand, and maybe you've been putting off doing this for a long time, but you really just want someone to tell you like, week 1, do this, make your LLC, get a logo, and pick a business name. And you're like, okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna be accountable to Morgan and she's gonna, walk me through this step. And then in 30 days, your bookkeeping business is open for business. And I'm guessing the rest of these Google questions are gonna kind of explain a little more. Okay. What is included in the Bookkeeper Business Coach? So I kind of just said that, but it's basically setting up your bookkeeping business. There's also a free checklist that you can download today, and that'll give you the basics. Does Bookkeeper Business Coach teach QuickBooks? No, this is very important to note. It does not teach QuickBooks. The reason for that is that QuickBooks already has tons of training that you can get for free. You can be a free QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor. I have videos about that if you don't know what that is. So my course, I didn't want to like reinvent the wheel when QuickBooks already has all that stuff. So my class, the reason why it's like kind of cheap is because it's not all encompassing. It just teaches you that one piece, which is legally setting up your business. It goes a little bit into marketing. It gives you a contract of employment, but it's meant to be very concise. All right. Google, who is the bookkeeper marketing coach class for new or experienced bookkeepers? This is my other class, marketing coach. So if you're trying to get clients, I'd say if you already have more than 3 clients, you're probably beyond it. But if you have 3 or less clients, check it out. Why does the course focus only on marketing, not QuickBooks? Kind of the same answer as before. Didn't want to teach QuickBooks. Plus QuickBooks always like changes their platform, and so I'd have to be constantly updating the like lessons. That already happens with like my videos. As soon as I make a video about QuickBooks, it's outdated. Is bookkeeper marketing coach worth the investment if I have 0 clients? Yeah, I'd say so. I'm biased, but yeah. Code. Oh, look, someone just hand wrote this thing. They want a code for it. Well, I suppose that, oops, I can give you guys a code. I'll ask my assistant if she can make a discount code for you guys for either bookkeeper marketing coach or business coach, depending on which one you want. It might need to be for a limited time. I'm not sure if there's like rules around that, but I'm going to leave that in a pinned comment. And if you comment on this video, please do, then you can use that code. Honestly, I won't even know if you comment or not. But I'd love if you comment, if you subscribe, if you stick around, if you join. Hope you found this video fun. Let me tell you guys, I'm sitting on, I had to be kind of up higher than usual, sitting on an end table and a watering jug can. I did it all for you.